What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to activate and how to use the night lights on your Windows computer, how to save your eyes, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. So if you are just like me that likes to work at night, you should enable this, okay? First thing, go to your start panel and move to settings. Once on settings, review the left sidebar of menus and go to system. Once on system, go to display. Right here, we're gonna have into the very first option, the night lights. Can you see the difference? This reduces the blue colors that keeps you awake, okay? So it can help you to sleep better. So click on night light, and right here, we're gonna be able to see a couple of options. The turn off now, the turn on, the stretch of the night lights, up to you and to your needs, of course. We can schedule night lights. You can set hours or let Windows use the sunrise and the sunset hours, okay, up to you. And this is most of the options you have, okay? I highly recommend that you keep this enabled if you like to work at night like me, okay? And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!